My name is Anna Leyko. I study BA Fine Art Photography at Camberwell College of Arts. My practice is very multidisciplinary. At the show at Southwark Park Galleries, I'm showing a work titled Rodina, which translates to motherland, and it is about people's blind devotion to the land and the soil that I grew up on. What I enjoyed the most about studying fine art photography in Camberwell is the freedom that we get to explore the subjects and the materiality within our work. As I'm a photographer, but I am able to build sculptures and structures, and I'm not limited to one medium at any point in time. I like that my work can have its own meaning and its own theme. It's not connected altogether with other people, which gives artists a point to explore. Another thing that I enjoy is the time that I get to make my artwork, as usually, especially in a busy city like London, it's quite difficult to find the time to make your artwork. And this university provides me with a big studio and a lot of time to work on the things that I want to get done. I think what I gathered from exhibiting externally is definitely the ability to show my work in a more professional setting and having people interact with my work who are not necessarily connected to the arts, which gives your work another dimension. It's been very interesting as you're able to get different perspectives from people and able to learn skills from each other, which you wouldn't have otherwise. For example, I'm learning a lot about, the metal workshop and things that I don't usually work with. I definitely look forward to staying in contact with a lot of the people that I met on this course and continue working on my art, building my portfolio, and hopefully soon as well head towards a master's degree in fine art.